In this video, I will show you how to use Google Sitekit for WordPress. First of all, open any browser and log in to your WordPress account. Click on the Plugins option from the left toolbar. Click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Google Site. Google Sitekit will appear. You can also see here that Google itself is its author. Click on Install Now and it will be installed. Then click on Activate to activate it. After that, click on Start Setup. On the next screen, tick on these checkboxes and click on Sign In with Google. Then choose an account for your Sitekit. Click on Continue. Tick on the checkbox beside Select All and click again on Continue. Now you have to go through this 4-step setup procedure. To verify that you have the site ownership, click on Verify. To allow for showing the metrics, click on Allow. For setting up the Search Console, simply click on Setup. Setting up Google Analytics is the most important. Click on Next. Now you have to create your Analytics account. Make sure that your account name, property, and web data stream are entered here and the country and time zone are selected accordingly. Click on Create Account. Choose your Google account. Click on Continue. On the next screen, scroll down and again click on Continue. After that, tick on this checkbox. Scroll down and click on I accept. Your Sitekit has been created. Click on Go to my dashboard. Sitekit interface will appear. You can also see that it has been added in the toolbar at the left side. Click on OK, got it. At the top, you will see its 4 features. The first one is traffic. You can track your site's analytics here and see the traffic over time. Next one is content. Here you can see the Search Console data of your site. From the speed section, you will get to know the issues occurring on your site. Then click on the monetization option and you will find the AdSense section. Click on Connect Now to track your AdSense revenue over time.